I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Confirm your Redmi is on and unlocked with MIUI updated because recording features depend on system builds. Once done, open the phone app. That's where Redmi exposes call recording controls. Make sure you have no active VPN or restricted permissions. Those can block the setting. You'll see recent calls and a three-dot menu. This is the first actionable area. Tap the menu to proceed, and keep an eye on any prompts asking permission for mic and storage. Once you're in settings, find call recording and open it. This is the complex middle step where choices matter. You can enable auto record to capture all calls, or leave it off and use the manual record button during calls. Pick based on privacy needs. Make sure to grant microphone and storage permissions. Without them, recording will fail. Also check region or legal options if recording is grayed out, because carrier or region rules can disable the feature. Now finish by testing a short call so you confirm recording saved correctly. Listen back to verify audio quality. If nothing appears, make sure microphone and storage permissions are still granted. Then force stop or restart the phone app and try again. If the toggle is missing, check MIUI updates or your region settings. Sometimes carriers restrict call recording. As a fallback, use Xiaomi's Recorder app or a trusted third party that explicitly supports Redmi. But beware of local laws regarding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.